Did you know that without teachers, we wouldn't have things like the internet, space travel, or even modern medicine? That's right, teachers have shaped the world we live in. But how much do you really know about World Teachers Day? Today, we're diving into 5 fascinating facts about this global celebration that will make you appreciate teachers even more. Let's get started. Fact 1. The origins of World Teachers Day. World Teachers Day was officially created in 1994, but its roots go back even further. This day marks the anniversary of the 1966 ILO UNESCO recommendation concerning the status of teachers, which set guidelines for the rights and responsibilities of teachers globally. Fact 2. Celebrated in over 100 countries. Here is something amazing. World Teachers Day is celebrated in more than 100 countries around the world. From Brazil to Bangladesh, and from Nigeria to Norway, this day unites people everywhere to honor teachers and their vital role in society. Fact 3. The 2024 theme. The teachers we need for the education we want. This year's theme is the teachers we need for the education we want. It's all about focusing on the changes needed in teaching to help students succeed in the modern world, from digital literacy to life skills. Fact 4. Teacher shortages worldwide. Here is a shocking fact. UNESCO estimates that by 2030, we will need an additional 69 million teachers to meet the global education goals. That's a huge number. Fact 5. Teachers make a huge difference in the classroom. Teachers don't just teach subjects. They shape lives. Studies show that a single teacher can inspire hundreds, even thousands, of students over the course of their career, boosting confidence, creativity, and critical thinking skills that last a lifetime. Think back to your favorite teacher that probably changed your life in some way, right? World Teachers Day is the perfect moment to thank them. So, next time you're thinking about the people who shape our world, don't forget the teachers. They deserve more than just a day of recognition. And with everything from teacher shortages to changing educational needs, it's more important than ever to support them. Thank you for watching, and be sure to give a shout out to the teachers who've made a difference in your life in the comments below.